Hi all, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we'll be learning about how to download file using Playwright and Python. So let me open the Playwright documentation of downloading file. So here you can see they have given a code snippet to do that. It's pretty much same which we'll be using here what is given. So with the help of this code snippet we can do it. So let me create one file, and before that let me go to the website. So I'll be using this Internet Heroku website. So here I think we have some downloading files option. Download file download, yeah. So here you can see. So okay, so here as you can see, we have lots of options are there. So we can download a file called like selenium.txt or text.txt. Anything is fine. Scrum.docs docx, or we can download any file, right? So let's do this operation to download is any of these files. So let me create a new file here. So let's give it a name of download file, and it creates one new Python file. And let me copy the template from here. Okay, so let's rename it with download, and let's navigate to this website first. So once we navigated to this page, now what you have to do, you have to do the click operation. So before that, what we have to do, we have to use is with page.expect download. So let's do that. So with page.expect download, and here it's give some random name. It's not download info, but you can use anything. So let me give some uh, download, anything we can give. So download I. Okay, and here what we have done, we have here what we are doing, we are doing the click operation. So basically this is we have to give in first, we have to write this one, and then after that we have to write the click operation. So basically what is happening, like once you're clicking on it, so you have to tell Playwright like, okay, we are expecting one thing, something after clicking there should be something which gets downloaded in your machine, right? So basically with this statement, Playwright is getting a instruction like we have to do some, I mean it's actually downloading a file, right? So let's do that page dot locator, and let's give the locator of that file. So let me download this selenium.txt, and I can create an XPath, uh, text selenium.txt, right? Let's first manually download it. So this file gets downloaded. Let's see what is there in this file. Okay, so it's just one, some random text is given. That's cool. So we know what is given in this file. Now we have to use the same we have to do the same operation with the help of Playwright and Python, right? So let's add this locator and then do the click operation. So once we do the click operation, so it's done. Now what else? So basically what they are doing, they are getting one, creating something, not creating, but it's like download info.value. So the value attributes they are accessing. Okay, so this download I, dot value. So this is a property actually. You can see this is a property. So this property, so if I go inside here, so you can see this actually a method, but as there is a other property notation, so we can use it as a attribute. Okay, so it looks like attribute, but it's a method, value method. So it's fetching, it's getting something from the value method, so it's returning. So the statement seems to have no effect, and the value of, so it's a getter method kind of. Okay, so it's returning a value. So which values, that value you can store it in, let's say download D. Okay, or DL, that's fine. So we get this DL object, and with the help of DL object, what we can do, we can actually print this path. But the thing is that we do not need to print this path. It's just for, I mean, if you print the path, it would always give you a default location. Let me do that. Okay, let me show you what is happening here. So if I do deal dot print or deal dot path, okay, it should print the path. Okay, now the next line, which is this one, this is actually saving it in a particular location or a desired location. Okay, so let's say I want to save it in this folder, in the test data folder. Okay, so how can I do it? So that will be seeing it. So, but before that, let me see where it's actually downloading. But the problem is, wherever it is downloading, it will not, you will not be able to see it. Okay, so it's a random GUID. It will be getting printed. So let me run it first, and let me show you what is happening here. So let's give the run pytest minus s dash dash headed. Okay, and this is under miscellaneous. So miscellaneous slash test download file. Okay, let's hit the enter button. Okay, so as you notice something here, it's actually showing you the path where it gets downloaded. But if you hit it in your browser, or sorry, not in your browser, but in your file explorer, you will not get anything. Okay, so this is something random GUID which is getting printed, and I forgot to add one slip statement here so that I could show you what's actually happening. So page dot wait for uh, wait for timeout. Let's give it timeout 5,000 seconds. So let me run it now. So you can see the download gets started. Okay, you will see, but you can see here it's something not. I mean, this value is kind of random GUID. Okay, so it's not kind of helpful for us. So what we have to do, we have to save it somewhere. So let's say we want to save it in the test data folder. So for that we need a path, right? So what is the file path where we have to save? So basically we know, like, from the with the help of waste module we can access this get cwd, that is current working directory. So that is the current or working directory path. Okay, so we got the working directory path, and after that, so we reach to this point. Now from here we have to go here in the test data folder. So it's pretty simple, right? So what we have to do, we have to use waste.path.join, and here we have to write test data and comma this working directory path. Right, so I hope it's no, I did some mistake here. So it should be first, it should be working directory path, and then we have to write comma and this one test data. test data slash, let's say I want to save it with the name called myfile.txt, so that I can write myfile.txt. So this is the final path, so I can write final path. And this path, what we have to do, we have to use in this dl.save as. So dl, that is this download I dot value. Okay, so those dl dot save as, and let's pass this value final path. Okay, now let's run it. So you will be seeing the file, this whatever file is getting downloading. Okay, so we know like the file which is getting downloaded, that is this one that we have already shown you, right? I have already shown that file. So the same file should get saved here in this folder. Let me run it. See, it's get downloaded, and you can see that file is generated here, my file.txt that I have mentioned here, right? So let me open that file, and you can see the same content is there as well. So we downloaded a different file, but actually we saved in a we saved that file with a different name. So while downloading, we are actually updating the name as well. Okay, we could have given the same name, but instead of that, we have just given our custom name. So I hope it is clear for you, like how to download a file from internet. It could be any download operation. Um, okay, so give it a try and let me know if you face any issue. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Bye.